So like a lot of people out there, I was trying to decide whether or not I wanted to buy the AppleCare warranty. Went back and forth. When I first went to the store to purchase the VisionPro, I decided I would wait a few days. But when I got it home, I decided, yeah, this is kind of a lot of money and a little bit delicate, so I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna buy the AppleCare Plus. So I did that, and I just want to share a quick experience that I had with the device. So I did some recording, did some adjusting on the device, and pretty excited about it. It has this tethered battery, as everybody's aware, right? So I had this in my front pocket, like a lot of people do when you're doing the recording, and after you're walking around for a while, you kind of forget that it's even there. So when I was finished recording, I thought that there was a little bit more light coming into this thing that I was comfortable with. So I placed it right at this counter, exactly where you see it right here. And I decided I was gonna get a different light seal and place it in there. It's an extra light cushion. So I just turned over to the other table over here to pick up the light cushion, forgetting that I had the battery in my pocket. So yes, you can call me an idiot for doing that, but that's what happened. I'm just telling you what happened. And when I turned over to the other counter, the thing dropped off and hit the floor, of course, with a lot more pressure than you see here. And after it hit the floor, I picked it up, and this is what I saw. You can't imagine how devastated I felt. Really, really disgusted with myself and couldn't believe how much damage there was dropping right to this, just a hardwood floor, not tile or anything. In fact, I better take the battery back out now. So I just kind of wanted to share my experience. So you can take it for what it's worth. Either say, okay, I'm just foolish for what I did, or things do happen and maybe you want to consider getting the coverage yourself. When I did contact Apple about the coverage, they ended up saying, hey, listen, even though I had the express replacement policy and paid the money for that they wanted me to go to an Apple store and have it evaluated, which I plan on doing tomorrow. I asked why that would be. If I have the extended coverage, why would I have to go in and have it evaluated versus just sending it in? That's what the agreement that I signed had stated. Just send it in and we're gonna get it out to you in a few days. That's the beauty of the whole policy, but that's not at all what they did. So I don't know what your experience will be, but anyway, wanted to share this with you and hope it's some value making a decision either way. Either say, hey, this guy's just foolish and made a stupid mistake, or maybe that's something I want to consider as well. But wanted to share it and make your own choice. Thanks.